In fact, a good example of najwa is when Yaqub alayhi salam was speaking to Yusuf alayhi salam. And he said, لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيد لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين. Don't tell this dream to your brothers. Right? He's talking about the brothers and the brothers aren't there. So if you don't have a clear understanding, you might say, this sounds like ghiba. Because when you talk about someone behind their back, that becomes ghiba. So is this ghiba because Yaqub is telling his son, don't tell this dream to your brothers, they will scheme against you. He did say something bad about them, right? He did say something bad about them. And the devil is a real enemy. So you might look at all of that and say, hey, wait, how does that fit with the other teachings of Islam? You know? Well, the way it fits is, in this ayah, Allah tells us, here are the things to avoid, and then what are the things you should have. And so let's end with that. وَتَنَاجَوْا بِالْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى. And if you're going to engage in secret counsel, do it for a good reason. Something good has to come out of it. And the good isn't, I got to talk crap about someone, I feel a lot better now. You know, that's not a good reason. Good means you actually did something good. Hey, maybe we need to discuss this together as a family so this stops happening. Maybe we need to intervene. Maybe we should take them out to dinner. Maybe we should get them a present. Maybe we should disarm them a little bit. That's something good that's coming. And the other reason is at-taqwa, which is mindfulness of Allah, but taqwa has another meaning in the Quran. Like for example, when we go to Hajj, Allah says, فَإِنَّ خَيْرَ الزَّادِ التَّقْوَى. The best kind of packing provisions you can take when you go to Hajj is taqwa. That doesn't just mean taqwa of Allah. It means you make sure you have enough money. It makes sure you keep your passport in a secure place. It makes sure that you have your tickets properly booked. It makes sure your visa is in order. All of that precaution is also called taqwa. So taqwa means protecting yourself. With taqwa of Allah, spiritually protecting yourself. Taqwa in this dunya, actually psychologically, socially, economically, politically protecting yourself. Actually, all of that is also called taqwa. So in this ayah, if you're going to have secret counsel, and the purpose of that secret counsel is protecting yourself, that's completely fine. Your goal wasn't to attack someone. Your goal wasn't to vent. Your goal wasn't to, to just humiliate someone else in their absence or scheme to harm them. Your goal primarily is to protect yourself. So if someone is harmful, and you're trying to have a secret meeting to protect yourself, that's within the confines of what Allah allows. That's something that Allah allows. So He says, وَتَنَاجَوْا بِالْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى.